What's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you a quick comparison between my new Borla S-Type exhaust and my stock exhaust on my 2019 Ram 1500. And the Borla cold start. Here's the stock exhaust revving.
Oh no!
And here's the new Borla revving. Here's a quick overview of the parts that are provided in the kit. Here's a quick muffler comparison between the stock muffler and the Borla S-Type. Here's my top 3 reasons why I chose this exhaust over others on the market. 1. Borla exhaust systems are made from quality materials that'll help them stand up to winter driving conditions where I live. 2. The stock exhaust on my Ram was very quiet. It did not sound like a pickup truck. It sounded more like a minivan. 3. I actually spent more time removing my old exhaust, cutting it out, than I did installing the new exhaust. It was very easy. Well, if you made it this far, please make sure to check out my videos coming up next on my channel. And as always, please make sure to like and subscribe. Also, check out the links below in the description for anything featured in this video. See you in the next one.